Give me 5. Alright, let me go see what those other boys are up to. Bye-bye. Now we're gonna cut the grass, and I guess this guy's gonna help me. You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Alright. It's like an hour later, and so far I've got half the yard cut. Well, that was probably one of the most difficult things I've ever done, but looks pretty awesome. It should, because it took me like 3 hours to do it. I guess I'll do like a cinematic pan shot, sweeping motion of the lawn. Triple date for this hottie. You need a ride?
Yes, I do.
I have some candy.
Ooh, I like candy.
Well, get in.
Working on it.
That was easy. Go hang out with Uncle Akana. See you later. Ready to do this?
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Hey
guys. I know, right?
There's the tater tot. Awesome.
Grouper piccata. Shank.
Okay, there's oysters for shank.
That's a pork shank with
That looks really good. You like split that thing.
Shrimp and grits. Shrimp and grits.
Good
Yeah.
choice.
There's a lot of meat on it.
Okay.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up with leftovers, yeah.
Alright, let's go get those boys. After I unlock the car.